How to delete your Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Instagram account. Now, deleting Instagram account is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. After the latest update, you won't get an option to delete or deactivate your Instagram account on Instagram app itself. However, what you can do is head into your browser here on your phone browser or any browser that you want, and then search in for instagram.com. Now what you want to do is log in to Instagram here on your browser. Now simply search in instagram.com and it will take you to the page here, official Instagram page on browser. Here you can see I've already logged into your account. You want to make sure that you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Now once you're logged into your account, what you want to do is you'll get an interface like this on the browser. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen there. Simply tap on there, and once it loads up, what you want to do is tap on edit profile option that you can see on the screen. Simply tap on edit profile option here, and if you scroll all the way down below, you'll find the option temporarily deactivate my account. Simply tap on temporarily deactivate my account, and here you can see you can deactivate your account instead of deleting it. This means your account will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging in back. Simply scroll down below and you can select any option that you want, and then scroll down below and type in your password, and when you type in temporarily deactivate your account, it will get deactivated. Now if you want to delete it, all you have to do is deactivate your account and wait in for 30 days and your Instagram account will be deleted automatically. So this way you can delete your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.